Today we're looking at the Endurance Flight Time Interactive Calculator, which solves for various flight performance parameters. Let's examine the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate endurance time, calculate required fuel mass, calculate specific range, calculate required LD ratio, calculate fuel consumption rate, and calculate range from endurance. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate endurance time. The remaining inputs are available fuel mass in kilograms, endurance time in hours, lift to drag ratio, flight velocity in meters per second, specific fuel consumption in kilograms per newton hour, aircraft weight in newtons, specific range in meters per kilogram, and fuel flow rate in kilograms per hour. For our worked example, I've entered 10 for all input values. After clicking calculate, the outputs show endurance time equals 1,000 hours, specific range equals 1.0 meters per kilogram, and maximum range equals 0.01 kilometers. These results demonstrate how the calculator processes multiple parameters simultaneously to determine flight endurance characteristics. The output also indicates this falls within the standard endurance range for typical missions. This tool streamlines complex flight performance calculations for engineering analysis. Find the link in the description below.